Hey everyone, this is JC and welcome to this fifth episode about implementing in-app purchase within your Cordova application. In this episode I'm gonna tackle a super simple feature, and also it's a feature required by Apple. On every application you need a restore purchases button, of course if you have purchases in your application. It's a button that's gonna allow users who have purchased a new device to restore whatever purchases they made on their previous device. When they want to switch iTunes accounts, they can also migrate their purchase to a new device. So to get started, it's super simple. So it's gonna be a very short video. It's a button we want to add into our account screen here, and in this screen we want to add a button that we'll call the restore purchases function. So whether or not we're a subscriber, I think we need to have this button. I'm gonna make a new function, restore purchases, that's gonna return the HTML for this button. Restore purchases, and the code is gonna be store.refresh. So we just have to call store.refresh one more time, and here after our content we can add this restore purchases button, and I'm putting my button in a row so the style is a bit better. And now we can test, I think. So I'm running my Cordova prepare script. I'm gonna run the application. The app is starting, and there we go. I can go to the account screen. There is this restore purchases button. I click it. It's asking for my password, and this is how you implement the restore purchases button. And it's convenient to have for development, because when you want to switch to a new Sandbox account, you can use this button to enable the new account for your application. Okay, that's it for this video. And in the next one, I'm gonna implement introductory prices for subscriptions. Bye bye.